Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make the blur color changing effect in CapCut. So first, what you need to do is import a video to CapCut with a solid background like this, and then after that split the video into a few parts. So I'm going to split the video first. Okay, so I've already split the videos, and click on the first video if you want, but I'm going to just leave the first clip as it is. So I'm going to click on the second one and go to adjust, click on add to cell, and click on the color of your background, then adjust the hue, click on a check icon, move to the another clip, go to adjust again, add your cell, and change this hue again. Okay, like this. And do this for all of your clips. Okay, when you're done, to add the blur effect, you just need to go to the effect, video effects, and go to the opening and closing, and here find the slanted blur effect. Click on a check icon and make the effect as short as possible, and copy it to and place it at the beginning of each clips like this. Okay, the last one, and now you are done. And here is the blur color changing tutorial result. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.